I'm going to give you one tip now on how to preview the pages. HTML being developed without the need to stay. Opening the browser right. I'm editing here, you have to go back to the browser. It's interesting to see everything. Share this screen here and see everything around here. Wanted a HTML CSS. We will edit here. For that I have an extension here in Visual Code. I come here on this extensions button. And I will look here for HTML. Prior. Okay, I found this extension. So I install the extension. Click here on install. Is installing. I have to reload or reboot, right? The extensions. And there, that doesn't make me lose the page I was editing. There is no page. Only now I have the extension. Install, we go here in the list of installed extensions. Are here, or my HTML predicted OK. Like now I'm going to visualize my page in real time. I'm going to use the Thekas against Shift P. And I have that if I'm not on the list, mine is on the list because I'm using it all the time. But if you're not in the list, start by HTML. Grandpa. Click. Can now be viewed. The HTML page here. Okay, you are viewing here on the right side. Let's create a little room here to get the style here. CSS text I just created. So I go there DV class. Then I will use give I created the text CS OK. Text CS. And I'm going to put a text here just to see if. Put right here, mine I'll put here. Hello, it's over right. In fact, I'm already using it here. Hello Obayan, our dear Obayan. What a noble. Okay, so we are already viewing only for. Follow straight if you are in real time. Let's give you some things here. In my CSS. Instead of blue, I will put one color here. Different. I will put this color. This. Green here. So OK. Is updating here in real time. This is very interesting for applications who already uses the script right. You can develop all this here Angular right. It's for class 2 right? To class 2. Beginning students is very interesting. That he is already teaching here, he is already showing the result. Okay, thanks for watching this class. Register on our channel. We are always putting videos there. News with regard to technologies and programming. One hug and see you next time.